Good morning, everyone. I will be crocheting another hat today, and this size is for toddlers. I am going to use a red heart yarn number 4 medium and size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, let's begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2. Remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 11 double crochet including the beginning chain 3 here. Now we are going to close the ring. We're going to pull this inside strand here. We are going to pull that from left to the right. Don't pull it tight, just halfway only, like that. And now we are going to pull this tail. Pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. So this is the beginning chain 3 here on top. 1, 2, 3. We're going to join it with slip stitch there. And for the round 2, we're going to make one front post single crochet around the same stitch as joining, and then chain 2. This is counted as first front post double crochet, and in between this first double and the next double over here, we're going to make one double crochet, and around this next double crochet make one front post double crochet, and one double crochet in between these two double. Then front post double crochet around this post, one double crochet in between, front post double crochet around the next, one double crochet in between. Go ahead and continue this pattern around, and when you finish you should have 22 stitches around. Can you see it clearly? I guess so, guys. Okay, before we join, we still need to make one double crochet in between this first double and the very last double here. One double crochet in between, and join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. So this is the beginning chain 2 here on top. Join it with slip stitch. Okay, you should have the total of 22 stitches around. And for the round 3, we're going to make one front post single around this stitch where we did the joining. One front post single, then chain 2. This is counted as first front post double crochet again. And in between of the front post and the next double, we are going to make 2 double crochet. This is the first front post and this is the next double. 2 double crochet in between. And now we are going to skip this double crochet, and around this front post double crochet make one front post double, and make 2 double crochet in between this post and the next double here. 2 double crochet. Okay, repeat this pattern around. Skip this double. Around this front post double crochet, make one front post double crochet, and in between this front post and this next double over here, make 2 double crochet, and then skip this double, one front post double crochet around this front post, and then 2 double crochet in between this post and this double, and then skip, and then front post double crochet, 2 double crochet in between, skip, one front post double crochet, 2 double crochet in between, skip. Okay, so it should be like this. Go ahead and repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay, I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 33 stitches around. And now we are going to join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And for the round 4, we're going to make one front post single crochet around the same stitch as joining, and chain 2, and in between the first double crochet and the next double, we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to skip this 2 double crochet here, and around this front post, make one front post double crochet. Should be like that. And in between this front post and the next double, we're going to make 3 double crochet. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip this next 2 double crochet, one front post double crochet around this front post, and between of this front post and this double over here, we're going to make 3 double crochet, and then skip 2, and then front post, and then in between 3 double crochet, skip 2, and then front post, and 3 double crochet in between. Go ahead, guys, and finish your round, and I will meet you before the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 44 stitches around. And before we join, we're going to skip the very last 2 double crochet here and join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And for the round 5, one front post single crochet around the same stitch as joining, then chain 2, and in between the first front post and the next double over here, we're going to make 4 double crochet. Okay, and we are going to skip this 3 double crochet, make one front post double crochet around this front post like that, and make 4 double crochet in between this post and this double. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And skip this 3 double crochet, front post double crochet around this front post, 4 double crochet in between this post and this double, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Skip this 3 double, front post double crochet around this front post, 4 double crochet in between of this post and this double over here, just like this. So go ahead, guys, and repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you before the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2, and I have the total of 55 stitches around. And for the remaining rounds, I want you to repeat this last round that we just finished, and always begin each round with front post single crochet around the same stitches joining plus chain 2, and 4 double crochet in between the first front post and the next double. Then skip this 4 double crochet, front post double crochet around this post, 4 double crochet in between this post and this double over here, and skip this 4, front post double crochet, 4 double crochet in between, skip this 4, front post double crochet, 4 double crochet in between. So go ahead guys and repeat this last round for the remaining rounds until you have the measurement of 5 inches long from the beginning round all the way to the last round. Okay, so go ahead, repeat this last round until you have 5 inches long from the top down to the last round that you're making, and then I will meet you for the brim. Alright guys, I finished my remaining rounds and I have 5 inches long from the beginning round all the way to the last round. And now for the brim, we are going to begin for the round 1. We are going to make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining, then single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and continue making 1 single crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead guys and finish your single crochet around, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay, I finished my single crochet around, and now to join, we are going to skip the beginning single and join it with slip stitch into the next single. Okay, so skip the beginning single here and join it with slip stitch into the next single, like that. Now for the round 2, we are going to make a chain 2 and make half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next, and we are going to continue making 1 half double crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead guys and finish your half double crochet around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and I have the total of 54 half double crochet around. Now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and for the round 3, for the round 3, make a chain 2 and make 1 front post half double crochet around the next half double, 1 back post half double crochet around the next, front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next, front post half double crochet around the next. Now I want you to go ahead and continue this pattern around. Make front post half double crochet, back post half double crochet, front post half double crochet alternately. Okay, so go ahead guys, finish your front post and back post around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round guys, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. Now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and make chain 2 again for the next round, and front post half double crochet around the next front post, back post around the next back post, front post half around the next, back post half around the next back post, front post half around the next front post. And I want you to go ahead and continue this pattern around again, making 1 front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next. Do it alternately until you finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round guys, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2, and I'm going to lock my work here. So this size is for 3 to 9 months old babies, and it has the circumference of 15 to 16 inches. Okay, and for the length, it has the length of 6 inches long from crown to the brim. 6 inches long from crown to the brim. And if you think that this length is small for your baby or short for your babies, you can just add a couple more of this front post and back post half double crochet for the brim, or you can repeat one more round of this body of the hat. All right, guys. Okay, this is the small version of the spiral hat for the adult that I made, because I know some of you guys wanted to make it for your kids, but you're confused how to begin for their sizes. So okay, I am going to make another one for older size. So that's it, guys. Thank you for crocheting along with me. If you have questions, just comment down below and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and please like and share my videos and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and see you again for my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.